Welcome! Today, we're diving into how to monetize your YouTube channel through the YouTube Partner Program. First, make sure your channel meets all requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Next, familiarize yourself with the YouTube Partner Program benefits like ad revenue and channel memberships. Don't forget about adhering to YouTube's policies to stay in good standing. Once you're ready, head to your YouTube dashboard to apply for the Partner Program. Hit apply and follow the prompts to complete your application. Now, how can you maximize your earnings? Creatively engage your audience through compelling content. Utilize various ad formats, such as bumper ads, skippable ads, and display ads. Additionally, consider other revenue sources like sponsorships and merchandise. Lastly, stay consistent and interact with your community to build trust and loyalty. Remember, successful monetization requires dedication and creativity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.